Hello, people. So, as of 2 days ago, I went for this movie called Badhaai Do that features Bhumi Pednekar, Rajkumar Rao, and it is essentially a film about a couple who, both of them being gay, they've decided to kind of get married for the sole and simple reason that both of them are gay. So, even if they are married, they can continue with their lives. Yeah, honestly, this movie has one of the most soulful music I've heard in a while. In terms of, it's like for the first time I've seen a film that really normalizes this whole, the gay culture. I mean, normalizes in a very sensitive sort of way, and sensitive because the protagonist, the main actor, the character, is shown to be a cop. He's a police officer who's living in police quarters, so he's that much more careful to conceal the fact that he's gay. But really, people, you'll have to watch this movie. It's called Badhai Do, and both Bhumi Pednekar and Rajkumar Rao and the supporting cast, they do such a stellar job for making the whole film so believable for us. I would say it's one of the really good films I've seen in a long time. It's called Badhai Do, and you can catch it on Netflix. It will be coming soon. So, really, people, a movie worth watching. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.